Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is my second video of today and a very beautiful one. I'll be showing you very rich and exclusive Kanjivaram sarees in this video. Here at Pratha we have a huge range of Kanjivarams starting from Kanjivarams without border to trendy Kanjivarams to traditional bordered Kanjivarams to broad bordered Kanjivarams to full zari Kanjivarams. So yeah, we have a huge variety. This set of sarees that we are showing you is an assorted set. It has a mixed set of designs in Kanjivarams. Just look at this one. A very rich border with elephant motifs, two different types of butta, okay, and a wine color with pink border. That's the combination. The color is not as deep as wine, but it is a purplish wine color, I would say. A very rich saree. This is the grand pallu. The beauty of Kanjivarams is in the borders and pallus, right? So this is the beautiful pallu design. It comes with a contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this saree is 20,000. Okay. I'll be telling you prices of each saree so that there's no confusion. This is the next one, a stunning green, emerald green. This saree has self texture all over it. I don't know if you can see, but it has a beautiful self texture as well as butta. Okay, a very pretty saree. Ekda light banda kar. It's a beautiful deep shade of green, emerald green. This is the saree and this is the grand pallu. It comes with a plain green blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The butta of this saree is also very rich. I'll just come close and show you the motif, the intricacy of the motif. Yeah, this is the saree. And this one does not have a very broad border. So those who don't want very broad bordered Kanjivarams, this is an excellent choice for you. The price of this saree, I will just, I have a price. Yeah, this is 24,000. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next one is a beautiful coral red color. Now just look at this saree. Just look at the magnificent butta design. Very intricately woven. This is the border, and I'll just show you how the borders will look together. It's a very beautiful festive Kanjivaram. This is the saree. The price of this one is 26,000. Just show you the grand look of the saree. This is the pallu, okay, and this is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next saree. The next is a beautiful designer Kanjivaram. It comes in copper zari. Now, copper zari Kanjivarams have been a big hit at both our exhibitions in Pune as well as in Mumbai. Everybody loved the copper zari Kanjivarams, and also I had posted one video of copper zari Kanjivarams which was also a super duper hit. So yes, this is one of those. Just look at the grand border design. This is the grand border. Remember, handloom sarees do come with irregularities. These kind of irregularities are common. We will be doing some finishing just to cut the threads off, but this is a very common irregularity. Okay, yeah, this is how the borders will look together. Very grand, very beautiful. This is the pallu, and wait for it, this is the stunning blouse. So this saree comes with a very beautiful brocade blouse, beautiful borders in copper zari, and a rich pallu. Okay, if you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this particular saree is 22,000. Okay, this is the saree. Let's move to the next one. The next is a very beautiful designer Kanjivaram. Once again, just look at the fall and the feel of the fabric. I'll just come close and show you the beautiful design at its border. So it has a single border. This saree has a very small plain zari border on the top, and this is the beauty of the saree. This border is the beauty. It has meenakari in it. Nice intricate butta. So this is how it will look. This is how it looks if you pleat it. Okay, and this is the grand pallu. It has a beautiful grand pallu. It's not a small short pallu at all. The price of this one is 19,000. This is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree of this video. The last one is a very unique one. Excellent color. Prashant, ye kaadte zara. Now just look at the motifs of this saree. I'm just going to move around the fabric so you understand the dhoop chham of it. It's a green and pink dhoop chham, a very beautiful subtle color. Again, it has this antique zari. It's not the usual golden zari. Okay, the zari also has a pinkish, slightly pinkish tone to it. The price of this saree is 22,000. This is how the borders look together. It has two different sizes of butta. Very grand one. This is the pallu, and again this one has a magnificent brocade blouse. Okay, a very grand saree. The price is 22,000. Color samajhte hai? Okay, so this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our video about Kanjivaram sarees. We are done with the two videos today. Remember, tomorrow morning 7:30 AM I will be posting two videos of a very beautiful casual range of sarees at Pratha, which we call Baha Chumki. It's all the sarees are priced at 5,500. So stay tuned, keep watching for tomorrow. Thank you for watching.